I am the stillness and the flame, the echo and the sacred name. I walk the path of dark and light, both shadowed depth and shining height. I am the self that seeks to grow, and yet the soul that's always whole. I dance with joy, I sit with pain, both sun and storm within remain. I am the voice, I am the space, the rushing tide, the calm embrace. No part of me is cast away. Each truth I hold, I let it stay. I bless the highs, I bless the lows, for through them both my spirit flows. I am the many and the one, the moonlit night, the rising sun. I am divine, both free and bound, with roots below and wings unbound. I honor all I've come to be, a soul in love with mystery.